Okay, so I said I was going to do this in RDWorks first, but I need a little bit of instant gratification here. So I set it up in Lightburn because it's easier for me because I can enable the Z offsets and that way I can input those on each of those layers. Otherwise the speed and power are the same and it's set to pass through. So the only difference is going to be the Z axis position when these are done. So that way it'll output this on all those focal points. So I'm just going to send it over. Wait, it would help if I put it where it needs to go. And I'm going to try to update the overlay. This camera's been giving me fits today. There we go. So let's update the overlay. And you can see where I'd done it once before and I didn't have my audio on. So we'll just move it over a little bit and send it over. And let's go over here. And I do, let me switch to this one, I think. Yeah, I do want to check my focus again, just to make sure that we're starting in the right spot. And yeah, that's good. Okay, so I guess we're going to fire this thing up. And so I'll go to File, Dot Size, pull it up, and here we go. And I do realize that I have that set to 1,000 millimeters per second, which it's probably taken longer to do them because of all the buffer area it needs on each side. So I probably could have slowed that down a little bit. I'm not going to look at the quality of those. They're just for reference. All right. I got my hand on the red button in case I need to play whack-a-mole, but I think I have my settings right. It's fixing to start moving the Z-axis after it does the top line. And sorry, I'm not time-lapsing this or anything. I want to catch it all, every detail. Let's see if I can get it a little closer here. All right. That's pretty neat. So I'll pull this off and take it over to the scope and we'll have a look after I clean it up with some LA's totally awesome. Okay, I got it cleaned off. So let's have a look under the scope now. And I may have to focus this thing a little bit with my keyboard. So let's see, there's -5, and of course it's not going to look all that great. But let me see if I can get that focus a little bit better. I could try turning the light on, but that seemed to give some. Let me see if that does better. I guess actually it does. So let's see if we can focus it in a little bit. Okay, and this may be a little bit too much magnification, um, but that doesn't look real great. As we move across here, they'll start looking better. And actually at the, let's see, we're at -3 here. I do have my scanning offset adjustments in. I did not generate them myself, though. They were on the card from 2 years ago that came with the machine, so I should probably have a look at that, or turn X-Wing off, or uh, where it's not bidirectional, but I'm not worried about the engraving right now. Um, it's starting to look really good right there. And I think that, or that, actually, that does not look as good. That looks like, yeah, it looks like it bubbled. These look the best and the tiniest. So this looks like our winner, and it is 0. So I'm dead on focus. Okay, so there's that part of it. I'll take some images that are high resolution, but not quite to this magnification, so you can zoom in and have a look, and I'll include those. So on to the next step. Until next time, thanks.